Welcome back to Old Fashioned Ways Plus Plus. I'm Doc Martinez, and I'm going to do a very quick bottle haul this month. If you're watching my live the other night, I did it on there, but I had a very bad internet connection. I was having internet issues that night, so I couldn't use it. So I decided, why not do it again?
Why? Why not?
We're going to do a quick version of this. Let's get started. I do have one of them in here, a pour, and at the end we'll talk about it. But as we're going through this, let me know what you think it is. Put in the comments below what you think my pour is. At the end of this, I will give the answer. All right, I'm gonna start with my non-whiskeys that I picked up. Grand Marnier, and it's the Century one. The reason that I have this one is because I did my 100th Old Fashioned. I did that video, it came out earlier in the week. So if you have not seen that, I will leave a link for it right here. Shane suggested, because it was my 100th, that I use this particular Grand Marnier to do my Old Fashioned. So Shane, thank you for the suggestion, and I did use that. Now I'm gonna bring these bottles up all at once, and the reason is they're all a little different. So this is a whiskey, these are two rums. They're Hawaiian rums and Hawaiian whiskey. Did you even know Hawaii made a whiskey? The reason I got these is my wife and daughter brought me something from Hawaii and I want to make an old fashioned out of it, but I needed a base spirit. And I could use anything behind me, but I thought, let me see if there's any spirit that's Hawaiian based, and I found these three. So at least three old fashions, three Hawaiian old fashions coming our way pretty soon. Can't wait to get those out. They're gonna be fun. Next on my list is this Good Time Cigar. I was out in Tennessee, picked this bad boy up when I was there, and I like cigar blends, and Good Old Time sounds like a good one. I never had it, so this is one that I picked up to try. Next, I also picked up this Garrison Brothers Single Barrel. Now you're probably wondering why. Well, this one's very special. This is a pick that I got to go and be a part of. The Bourbon Society, New Braunfels Bourbon Society actually did this pick, invited me to go. It was the first time I got to go on a barrel pick. No, it's not mine, but I did get a bottle. Actually, I got two. So I will be popping one of these open and sharing with some of you guys. This pour was amazing when I was there. Let's see if it's just as amazing now that I have it in my hand. So Garrison Brothers. Here's another one that I am lucky to have. Lucky 7, the Holiday Toast. Now this one's given to me by Dave. If you know Dave, he's very generous. He's a very generous gentleman. I appreciate him, and thank you, Dave, for sending this. My wife and I liked this last year when we tried it at the Kentucky Bourbon Festival. I know my wife will like a few pours of this. It's like Christmas in a bottle. Another exciting one is this. Now I still have it wrapped up. A buddy of mine sent it. It's 150 proof, and it's called White Lightning. It's a moonshine that he sent me. Little scared to try it, but I'm definitely gonna try it. Looking forward to doing that. I did pick up this. It is the Blood Oath Pack 10. Blood Oath, never tried one, not been on my list before. I grabbed this because my buddy RJ was looking for it. I grabbed it just in case, but he did find some, so now I have my own. Not sure when I'm gonna try it, sometime soon, maybe on my next live, we'll see. This one is a special Willet. Now this one is a Willet rye, but it is, if you've seen that, a single barrel. It's from Hedonism Wines exclusive. I got one of their purple tops, really liked it. I figured why not try the rye, so I did pick that up in an auction. Not too bad a price, not too bad a price. I'm hoping it's better than the regular ryes that I've had that you can get off the shelf, so we'll see. Maybe I'll have to do a comparison. Now this one is another one that I picked up when I was in Tennessee. So when I was doing that Jack Daniel's barrel pick with Shane from Storytime, they did a rye, they did a bourbon, and no, this is not one of them. The reason I got this is because of where it was stored in the warehouse. Now, there's a big secret behind that.
What secret? Tell me the secret.
If you watch my live, you know about that secret. If you don't, you don't. So if you know, you know, and if you want to know, go check out my last live. Also, what I'm gonna show you is this one. This is Samuel Maverick. It's a special whiskey that's made in San Antonio, close to the Alamo. My buddy Locktar got this for me a while back. He's been holding it for me. Very kind of him to hold it. We popped it open on the last live. Very good pour. Unfortunately, these bottles are not made anymore. I'm glad I have one to try, and who knows, maybe we'll share some more of it this next live. Now we're coming into the bottles that are more of the highlights, you know, the bottles that are a little bit better, a little bit more excited about, and, you know, wanting to either do reviews, share, or do something like that with you. And you guys get to decide. So in the comments below after we do this, let me know, are there any here that you want me to do a review on, or any that you want me to do on my next live and we share? So you let me know. Take a little sip before I go there. Have I shown the bottle that this is in? We'll soon find out, huh? I'm gonna start off with the little boys. Old Forester 117, and you can see this is the Angel Share. I've heard a lot of great things about this. So when I was able to grab one, I was pretty excited to be able to do that. So I have one to try. I haven't popped this one open yet, but I will be doing that pretty soon. Two other small little boys are these. Still Austin Rare Stock. Now this was a distillery release only, and I was in Tennessee when this got released. So I owe a big, huge thank you to my in-laws, and for my in-laws for recruiting the people to go get these. I have these here too, here to show. I have one open. It is in the great pour. I'm probably gonna do a review because it's just such a good pour. That way I can share a little bit out there, but glad to have these, and fun. I forgot to show. One of them is actually signed by the master distiller himself. So yep, got it, and one signed as well. This one is fun. Wild Turkey Stampede 55. I got this in an auction. It's a cute bottle. Check out this little bottle here. As you can see, it's open. On my last live, I opened it up, shared some with some of you out there, so some of you are gonna be able to try this. But interesting bottle, interesting pour. It's a little bit different for sure, but that's what you get with a lot of these like dusty kind of ones. So I did enjoy it, and it was a fun pour to share. Old Forester Single Barrel. Now, is this really a highlight? Not as much anymore, but for me it is, because I don't find these down here. Somebody helped me grab this and got it to me, so I always appreciate it. I only have like one on the shelf that's open. I might have one bottle that's closed. Now I at least have two bottles that's closed, so pretty excited about that. I'm gonna put that over here in this area. Another Garrison Brothers. Yep, another Garrison Brothers, but this one's also a special release. Ladybird. And this one's also special because it's signed by the master distiller himself and Nancy, so we get two signatures. Cool thing is, my buddy picked this up at the store. He didn't know it was signed. When he came out, he was like, hey, look, he sent me a picture that was signed too. So pretty excited. Not only did I get a Ladybird, I got it signed. Gold Spot. Now Gold Spot is one of those, I just started tasting the spots. I've enjoyed them. I've enjoyed the blue and the red. I haven't tried many more. A buddy of mine sent me a whole lineup, which I haven't gotten to yet, and I'm going to do that. And so I'm hoping I like the Gold Spot. I got this before I got to try it, but it was one of those that when you find it and you can get it for a good price, don't pass it up. My daughter saw this and she was like, when did you get the Gold Spot? She's all excited. So she'll be home this weekend. I'm sure we'll be popping this open to try it together. So there you go, Gold Spot. Ooh, another fun pick. I don't know if you've ever heard of Copper Sky. I know I had it. But this one, if you look, is a light whiskey, and it's 150.6 proof. Let's see if we can get that focused. You can see it there. And it's bottle number 22 as well. It's 17 years old, so another hazmat from that group. And it's New Braunfels Bourbon. Great place. Great society, I should say. I like those guys. They're really cool to hang out with. I get to do a lot of fun things with them, and they have fun picks. One I'm super excited about, a Burberry. I love Burberry. If you know me, you've known that I love Burberry. I've been hunting for this one for what? Is it 2 years that it first came out? I think this is this year's. I'll have to go look it up. I finally have the Burberry with the new little bunny on it. I have the old ones, and I might actually do a comparison. That'd be kind of fun to do a comparison study with that. So let's put that bad boy over here. This is a fun one. Found North. It's the batch 9. It's aged 19 years minimum. As you can see, I've already popped this open. I did a review on it. That review is coming out or is out. But when it's out, I will leave a link for it right here. And that way you can see, is this worth hunting? Is this worth getting? I was lucky enough that I was able to pre-order this, because when you signed up for another one and if you didn't get that, and when I say it was Helldiver, you could actually pre-order it. I did pre-order it, and so I have it to review pretty early. Another one I reviewed, 13 Colony Cash Strength. This is my first 13 Colony pour. I did a review on it. If you haven't seen that, I will leave a link for it right here as well. You want to see, is this worth the hunt? Is this worth getting? Go watch my review.
Just do it!
Now, before I get to the last one, I'm going to show two special bottles. I have these two special bottles, one Weller 107, and one is Stag 22A, right? Formerly known as Stag Junior. On my last live, I let you guys decide what's going in my new game box.
Not the drinking game, a drinking game.
If you don't know what I'm talking about, my live is on Friday. The June 12th will be the first time I'm doing it, and this one was voted in, so this will be the first one that you actually have a chance to win. If it didn't go that first night, because I'm not sure when this video will come out, it'll probably come out after that first live with this, go check out my lives. I'm gonna give you a chance to win a Stag. Yep. And possibly in the next one, maybe we'll put this one in there. We'll see what goes in the box. Once somebody wins the first one, we'll step and decide what goes on the next one. I will have Stag Jr. and with you a chance to win this one. Last but not least, bam. Yep, Angel's Envy Cellar Collection Series Volumes 1, 2, 3. And this one is fun because I was trying to figure out that night how to open it. And it's all it is, swing up and then open this bad boy up. And there you have it. All 3 of them there. And I don't know what I'm gonna do with it yet. I haven't tried any of them. I just got this in. Haven't had time to figure out what to do with it. Do I do a blind? Do we just open up on the next live? What do you guys want to do? You let me know. That is my haul. What do you guys think? I think it's not too bad. I enjoyed it.
What do you think, Master Jedi?
We'll see what we drink, what we review, and make sure you let me know. What is it you want me to review? So put those in the comments below. We'll review them, and anything I review, I always share. So
This is the way.
oh, before I forget, did you guys guess what's in my glass? Let me show you. Where did I put this bad boy? Let me find it. Yep, it's the Good Time Cigar. That's what I'm drinking tonight, just so I can try it. And it's a good pour. I'm really enjoying it. I'm gonna definitely compare this to some of the other cigars. So, to our next journey, my friends, cheers.